Listening for beginners.
Paul and Linda are at the coffee shop.
This is the most beautiful airport in Switzerland.
Really?
Yes, and the most important too.
I hope the food is as good as the airport.
Good afternoon. Are you ready to order?
Yes, please. I want a sandwich, French fries, tuna salad and a Coke.
What about you, sir?
I want a chicken salad and a Diet Coke.
Excuse me, waiter. Can I ask you a question?
Certainly.
Is the Cuban sandwich bigger than the American?
The Cuban is smaller than the American.
I'll stay with the American, thanks.
5 minutes later.
Do you care for dessert?
Yes, I want a big chocolate ice cream.
And you?
No, thanks. Bring us the check, please.